Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Innovation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the part 2 of our August 2021 current affairs session. Today we are going to see MCQ questions from 16th till 31st August और जो भी important current affairs हुए हैं हम उनको आज discuss करेंगे. And I'll also request you कि जो end में आपको assignment questions में दूंगा उनको आप please attempt करिए. They will be also very important for all your upcoming exams. Hence, please watch the video till the end. And also, if you like the content I'm posting on the channel, please go ahead and visit novation.in. Here you can find the PDFs of the lectures which are here. And also you can go ahead and donate to Novation because Novation needs your support. Okay. So with that, I'll start today's session. The first question for today, Ashraf Ghani, the president of which country resigned and fled his own country recently? So this is a no-brainer, guys. आप सबको पता होगा अफगानिस्तान के president Ashraf Ghani, he fled the country on 15th August when Taliban terrorists they entered Kabul and they ousted Ashraf Ghani from his post. And this came nearly 20 years after they were ousted. Taliban was ousted from power by US-led invasion. Okay, coming to the next one. Name the first Indian to be a part of NBA title winning team. So NBA is the governing body for basketball in America and also in India. So it is National Basketball Association. Here the correct answer is B, Princepal Singh. So Princepal plays for Sacramento Kings. And he has become the only Indian to be in a team which won a NBA title. So what was the title? It is Summer League. Okay. And they defeated Boston Celtics 161 in the final match. Okay. Next is, according to 2021 Global Crypto Adoption Index by Chainalysis, what is India's rank in terms of crypto adoption? So worldwide ये जो list है ये बनाई गई है in terms of the adoption of cryptocurrencies in any country. So here the rank of India is B, second. So India is on the second rank. अगर हम बात करें तो first position पे कौन है वो है Vietnam. It is ranked number 1 in terms of crypto adoption. And we are ahead of countries like developed countries like US, UK and China. Okay. Next, which pair below won the 2021 WTT Contender Budapest Mixed Double title? So here friend, WTT stand for World Table Tennis Championship. So WTT आपको पता होना चाहिए. And here the correct answer is C, Manika Batra and Satyan Gnan Shekaran. So do remember the names of the player. So Manika and Satyan beat 94th ranked Hungarian pair Dora and Nandor 3-1 in the final, and the score lines were 11-9, 9-11, 12-10 and 11-6. So that's how they won the finals. Coming to the next question, Zydus Cadila, which is a pharmaceutical company, has received approval for emergency use authorization from the Drug Controller General of India for. So friends, आपको पता होगा Zydus Cadila ने भी अपनी एक वैक्सीन लॉन्च की है and it is named ZyCoV-D. Why D? D आप कैसे याद रखेंगे दोस्तों? So मैं आपको बताता हूँ. This is the world's first and India's indigenously developed DNA based vaccine. दुनिया की पहली DNA based vaccine है. So D से आप याद रखेंगे DNA. Okay. So the name is ZyCoV-D. Okay, and it will be administered to people which are above 12 years of age. यानी कि आप children को भी ये vaccine दे सकते हैं above 12 years. Next, India's very first solar electric vehicle charging station is set up at which of the following highways? Very important question, guys. So here the correct answer is A, Delhi Chandigarh. इस हाईवे पे ये EV चार्जिंग स्टेशन इंडिया का फर्स्ट सेटअप किया गया है एंड इट इज सेटअप बाय भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स लिमिटेड भेल. आपको ये नाम याद रखना है एट द कर्ना लेक रिसोर्ट, और ये रिसोर्ट का नाम भी याद होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, एक्सरसाइज कोनकन 2021 was held between the navies of. So friends, as the question suggests, exercise Konkan is a naval exercise और ये हुआ था इंडिया एंड यूके की नेवीज के बीच में recently. So let's see the PTN. So this is a bilateral Konkan exercise and it is conducted between India and UK, and recently it was held between INS Tabar and HMS Westminster in the English Channel. So INS Tabar is the warship of India and HMS Westminster is the warship of UK. Next, Amazon Alexa is now available in the voice of which of the following Bollywood superstars? So friends, here the correct answer is D, Amitabh Bachchan. So with a nominal amount, that is rupees 149 per year, you are able to get the voice of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as the voice of Alexa. Okay, and you will be required to say these two words, Amit ji, instead of Alexa. Okay. Next is, recently Kalyan Singh passed away. He was the former chief minister of. So friends, here the correct answer is D, Uttar Pradesh, and Mr. Kalyan Singh was 89 years of age when he passed away. And so Mr. Singh was the UP chief minister when the Babri Masjid or mosque was demolished in Ayodhya on December 6, 1992. So during his tenure, this happened. Okay. Now friends, very important slide. आप सभी को पैरालंपिक्स 2021 के मेडलिस्ट के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. एंड हियर आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप प्लीज इस स्क्रीन का स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखें और इनको रिवाइज करते रहें. खासकर आपको पता याद ही होना चाहिए, जो भी हमारे गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हैं उनका नाम याद होना चाहिए और उनके इवेंट्स का नाम भी याद होना चाहिए. और आप मुझे बताइए आज जो बैडमिंटन में इंडिया को गोल्ड मिला है वो किसको मिला है. Okay, so do tell the answer in the comment section, and please take a snapshot of it and keep revising the names of the athletes and their events and their medals. Next, which of these countries has been ranked first in the world in supporting lactating women? Now friend, lactating women, lactation means breastfeeding. So कौन सा देश है जो नंबर 1 आया है in terms of giving supports to lactating females? Here the correct answer is A, Bangladesh. So Bangladesh has got number 1 rank with a 91.5 score out of 100, and when we compare India to it, we are at a very low rank, that is 79. Nepal is at 39th and Maldives at 19. So Asian countries, out of Asian countries, Bangladesh and Maldives have performed really good, but other than that we are really underperforming. Okay. Name the operation ran by Government of India to evacuate its citizen from war-torn Afghanistan. Friends, very important question. Here the correct answer is D, Operation Devi Shakti. So इसके तहत हम हमारे लोगों को बचा के ला रहे हैं अफगानिस्तान से. Okay. So External Affairs Minister Mr. S. Jaishankar said that India has evacuated more than 800 people from Afghanistan under the Operation Devi Shakti, and he also saluted the efforts of Indian Air Force and Air India for carrying out these evacuation mission. Okay. A stadium at the Pune-based Army Sports Institute (A.SH) will be named after who among the following athletes? So friends, this is a no-brainer. आप guess करते तो भी आप इसका सही आंसर guess करते. Here the correct answer is B, Neeraj Chopra, the golden boy in javelin throw. So in Rajnath Singh's presence, he's the defense minister of India. The sports stadium of the ASI was renamed Neeraj Chopra Army Sports Stadium, Pune Cantonment on August 23. Okay. Which of the following states, union territories has recently got the world's highest altitude movie theater? Very interesting question, guys. So here the correct answer is C, Ladakh. Now friends, this is a mobile movie theater. इसको आप inflate कर सकते हैं and you can take it anywhere. And this inflatable theater can operate in even minus 28 degrees Celsius. And like it is at an altitude of around 11,500 feet in the Paldan area of Leh. Okay, so I hope you will remember this. Coming to the next one, as per the real estate consultant Cushman and Wakefield, which of these nations ranked first in the list of most attractive manufacturing hub globally? So friends, आपको पता ही होगा वैसे, this is also easy one. China is basically called the factory of the world. So यहाँ पर चाइना ने ही इस लिस्ट को टॉप किया है, बिकॉज आप देखेंगे हमारे आसपास भी जो सामान है मोस्ट ऑफ देम कम्स आफ्टर गेटिंग मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन चाइना. बट वन गुड थिंग इज दैट इंडिया को यहाँ पर सेकेंड स्पॉट मिला है इन दिस रैंकिंग. सो वी हैव taken this position from USA. So earlier USA was on the second position. Now India is the second most attractive manufacturing hub globally. अब US के बाद आता है कनाडा, चेक रिपब्लिक, इंडोनेशिया, लिथुआनिया, थाईलैंड, मलेशिया एंड पोलैंड. ओके, और नंबर 1 पे तो चाइना है ही. नेक्स्ट इज Delhi government has roped in which of the following Bollywood stars as the brand ambassador of Desh के mentor program? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood will be the brand ambassador of this program. Now, what is this program, guys? So this program is launched by Delhi government, in which 1 to 10 government school students can be mentored by citizens who are successful in their respective field, and so that they can guide these 1 to 10 students on how they can be successful in their lives. Okay. Next, identify the recently introduced vehicle number registration series by the Indian government that avoids re-registration of vehicles during interstate use. Now friends, let's first understand what this question wants us to find out. Now गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने फ्रेंड्स एक नई सीरीज लॉन्च की है. जैसे मैं मध्य प्रदेश में रहता हूँ, तो द सीरीज विच रन्स हियर इज MP. It starts with MP for vehicles. If you are in Maharashtra, that will be MH. If you are in UP, it starts with UP, your vehicle number. But now Government of India ने एक और नई सीरीज लॉन्च की है. If you are having that series number, तो आप एक स्टेट से दूसरी स्टेट अपनी गाड़ी को लेके जाते हैं, देन यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज योर रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेट. अगर मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से गाड़ी खरीदता हूँ, तो माई व्हीकल विल हैव CG एज द व्हीकल नंबर, एंड इफ आई टेक इट टू मध्य प्रदेश, आई नीड टू चेंज इट टू MP. अब अगर आपके पास BH, द करेक्ट आंसर इज BH सीरीज का अगर आपके पास व्हीकल नंबर है, यू डोंट नीड टू get a re-registration of your vehicle during interstate use. Okay, so BH series, Bharat series is going to ensure the seamless transfer of vehicle all across India. Wherever you buy it, you don't need to change the number when you go to a new state. So this is a very, very important development, I would say, and a very important one. Okay, now friends, we are at the assignment part of this video. आप मुझे इन तीनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. First is, which is set to soon become first city in India to establish International Arbitration and Mediation Center. Please tell me the name of the city. In which state or union territory Sukoon, a 24/7 mental health helpline, was inaugurated recently? And the last one, हमने किस country को $1 million का aid दिया है recently according to UN World Food Program to tackle climate shocks? इन तीनों का आंसर आप मुझे जरूर बताइएगा. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope the video was helpful. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, so please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Novation. Please visit novation.in. Here you can go ahead to the donate button, and if the content is helping you, please support Novation. Thank you so much guys. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye, and please take care.